What's going on, guys? So I want to do a little trade recap on some futures trading. So today in the Discord, if you're not a member of the Discord, that link is down in the description box below. We put out watch lists, we put out technical analysis, we do live trading via voice chat, so forth and so forth. But today in the chat room, my cousin was in the chat room today. He's a big time futures trader. He loves trading these futures, anything from the NQ to the ES, as well as crude oil, all of these big time movers. So with that being said, while we were trading today, we were looking at the end of the market. And one thing that we were looking at was this little bit of support that we had here. And that those two supports was going to be the 100 simple moving average as well as the 100 EMA. You can see that multiple, and I have the hourly chart pulled up here just for reference. So you can see here multiple hours were coming down and testing this zone. We would quickly break below this zone and then reclaim it. We would test this zone and we closed under. Next candle, we tested this zone and we got back above. Next hour, we tested this zone and got back above. So the one thing that we were looking at here from a supply and demand, and let me kind of just make this a little bit bigger so we can see here. And if you guys don't understand how to use my big boy chart here, definitely go over to Evolution Traders, which is my website. Get access to those two courses. You guys are going to learn how to trade supply and demand like, the best institutional trader on Wall Street. So with that being said here, you can see multiple touch points down here at demand. Now, if you believe in the theory of technical analysis, you will be believing that stocks are going to trade from demand to demand and supply to supply. What does that exactly mean? Join the Discord. I'll explain it to you in there. But as soon as this price action started to get down here, he was watching this level here, watching this level, watching this level. We got back below the 5-day moving average. We were underneath the Bollinger Band. And as we started to test this level, he went ahead and took that short position. Now, where would the stop have been, if this decided to retrace? If this decided to retrace, the level that we had marked out here was 14950. That was going to be the area to short. If we broke below this, we would be switching to the 5-minute time frame. And let me actually bring up the 5-minute time frame to kind of show you guys exactly what that looks like on the 5-minute chart. So you can see here on the 5-minute chart, and let me bring out my drawing tool, down in this area, down in this area, down in this area, a lot of price action down in this area. So what do you think that we're looking at here? What we are looking at here is if we break this level, this is an area for a short. So as soon as we broke this level, he took the short position. I think he took this for a ride of around $400, extremely, extremely quick. If you guys have traded NQ, you guys know exactly how fast this thing can move. You guys can also trade the MNQ, which is the micros, move a lot slower, a lot easier to manage. I would definitely recommend that for more of a beginner trader. With that being said, as soon as we crack below, if we were to close back over this level on a 5-minute candle, that would just be your stop. The play would be over and you would just exit the trade, right? So if we were to flush and then bounce and then kind of close over that level, you would exit your trade. If you, depending on your risk tolerance and how much you're looking to get out of the trade, you could definitely, if you're holding more than one contract, you could start scaling along the way. Very, very good flush point here that we got on the NQ. By the way, guys, if you guys are interested in day trading futures, if you guys want to learn perhaps how to day trade futures and the power of futures and what it can do for you as far as freedom, as far as what it can do for your life financially, but maybe you guys don't have the capital to trade futures. Maybe your broker doesn't allow you to trade futures. I work with a fantastic prop firm. You guys can get funded up to $150,000 to trade futures. Definitely check out the link down in my description box below. You guys can get all the information and make up your mind for yourself. If you do decide to take the leap of faith and trade futures, definitely join the Discord. We would be more than happy to help you out, kind of give you these levels intraday. You guys can learn from us and we can kind of bounce ideas off of each other. With that being said, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Also give me a thumbs up and I will see you guys all in the next trading video.